Evolution of species. Have you ever looked at a bird in flight or a fish gliding through water and wondered, how did life come to be so beautifully diverse? From the tiniest bacteria to the towering blue whale, life on Earth has taken countless forms. But this vast variety didn't happen overnight. It is the result of a long, slow, and extraordinary journey called evolution. The process that explains how all living things, including us, came to be. To understand evolution, we must go back billions of years, to a time when Earth was nothing but a hot, lifeless planet. Then, something miraculous happened. The first tiny building blocks of life, simple cells, appeared in the oceans. These single-celled organisms were the humble beginnings of everything that would come after. And although they were simple, they held within them the potential to become complex. Over time, some cells began to work together, forming multicellular organisms. This was the first step toward more complex life. As generations passed, nature began to shape these organisms through a powerful force: natural selection. This means that individuals with traits better suited to their environment were more likely to survive and reproduce, passing those traits on to their offspring. Gradually, these small changes added up, leading to new forms of life. For example, some fish developed fins that helped them crawl onto land. Those with stronger fins survived better, and over millions of years, they evolved into amphibians, then reptiles, and eventually into creatures that walked on two legs. Meanwhile, in the oceans and forests, in deserts and mountaintops, life was constantly adapting. Insects developed wings to escape predators. Mammals evolved warm blood to survive cold climates. Some animals grew camouflaged fur to blend in with their surroundings, while others developed sharp eyesight or powerful hearing to find prey. Evolution didn't just create variety, it created specialization. Every creature was shaped by its environment, and every trait was tested by time. Then came the rise of the dinosaurs. Giant, magnificent animals that ruled the earth for millions of years. They were incredibly successful, evolving into hundreds of species. But evolution is not just about progress, it's also about change. A massive asteroid impact changed the Earth's climate, wiping out most of the dinosaurs. Yet some small feathered dinosaurs survived, and over millions of years, they evolved into birds. It's astonishing to think that the birds we see in the sky today are distant relatives of the mighty T-Rex. At the same time, mammals began to thrive. Some took to the trees, developing grasping hands and keen eyesight. These tree dwellers became our ancient ancestors. Over millions of years, their brains grew larger, their tools became more advanced, and their societies became more complex. Eventually, one branch of these creatures evolved into humans, us. And while we may feel far removed from our evolutionary past, our bodies still carry its marks. The goosebumps on our skin, the structure of our spine, and even the way we dream at night all trace back to ancient ancestors who had to fight, adapt, and survive. But evolution didn't stop with us. It continues every day. Bacteria evolve to resist antibiotics. Animals adjust their behavior in changing habitats. New species appear and old ones disappear. Evolution is not just a story of the past. It is a living, breathing process happening right now. And it reminds us that we are not separate from nature. We are part of it, deeply connected to every leaf, every insect, every living thing that has ever walked, swum, or flown on this planet. So when you see a butterfly, or a lizard, or even your own reflection, remember, evolution is the reason you are here. It is the force that shaped your hands, your heart, and your mind. It is a story written in the language of DNA, in every cell of your body. And it is still being written with every breath you take. The evolution of species is not just science. It is the greatest story ever told, and you are a part of it.